The Toyota Corolla is the best-selling nameplate in the world with over 50 million units sold since 1966. Therefore, every new generation is a crucial step for the Japanese automaker. While the current 12th generation model still has some life ahead of it after a recent update. The imaginary 13th generation Toyota Corolla Sedan looks more premium than the current model thanks to the sleeker surfacing, stretched wheelbase, a more steeply raked windshield, and full-width lighting units. The silhouette is more aerodynamic, but not as much as in the new Toyota Prius, allowing a clear differentiation between the volumes. The front end looks similar to Toyota's BZ models, but the large intakes hint at the presence of a combustion engine under the bonnet. Speaking of the powertrain, while we don't have any information about the next Corolla, and it's too early to talk about technical specifications, chances are that Toyota will retain the hybrid option for another generation, benefiting from the latest advancements in the efficiency department. The tail is also an improvement compared to the current model, at least in our eyes, thanks to the slimmer LED lights and the more dynamic lines.